Hey everybody, it's GM King Monkey Sharkman here, and today I'm going to play Subway Surfer. Yay! every day, it's coming a new update. update. Oh my god. Yeah, this is one of my favorite game, and yeah, I play it very much. No, what the fuck can I do? Check it out. Facebook gift. And now I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to play right now, and I don't know. I'm not so good in this game. Yeah, if you want to be my friend in YouTube, comment please what's your record is, and I'm going to beat it. I'm going to put it on YouTube when I beat your score. I can try to do it, but now I'm not going to play so long. No, I'm going to play to like 20,000 score. After that, I need to fix a new video, and the next video is going to be a new game. Again, I can show you to hack the game, but the hack it's going to be on Clash of Clans. It's a very good game, and the game is when you have a hack in the hack server, you're going to get like 999999999 and gold 9999999 and diamond 99999. That's the core of the plane. Yeah, and that's what the next video is going to be. If you don't have this game, you should download it. It's very funny. When you have boring things to do, just play this game. It's making you happy. When I'm sitting in the bus, I'm playing this game then, because I'm bored. If you know, I cannot speak so good English, but because I'm from Sweden, yeah, Sweden gamer here, and yeah, that's what I am. Some video I can put when I'm playing Black Ops 3 and PS4. Yeah. And I have done other when I'm hacking. If you look at this video first, so please subscribe. And I just telling you right now, I have done more videos with hacks and things in Instagram, my account, and that. When I'm counted 25,000 score, I'm going to quit this game. So yeah. When now it's game over. So yeah, I'm just gonna open the key. I get money. I don't need money. Tap run. We get result. What the fuck? No! fucking game. I'm not. What the fuck? Yeah, but yeah. So I'm clear right now and all that. Thank you for watching and all that things. And the next video I'm going to play Clash of Clans. No, the next video I'm going to play. So yeah, goodbye. And please comment what you want me to play in the next video. So goodbye.